going to show you how to create a pivot table in Excel. First, we have to open up the app. And here we have an example sheet. From here, we just go into Insert. And here in Insert, we have Pivot Table. And here we can select the table range. From here, let's go to the bottom, like this, enter. And here we can select where we want to have the new pivot table placed. We can just click on OK, and then here we have pivot table fields. Let's just tick all of them like this, and here we have some filters, values, rows, and columns. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. Here we have the pivot table. There we have a grand total, sum of years, sum of sales, sum of rating. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.